This is my office. This is where I leave all my clutter. It's also my bedroom as well. Welcome to Totallyevelyn, and today's video I want to talk about people who continually make excuses. It's absolutely draining. Join me after this short break. I'm going to be telling you to stop it right now. See you real soon. Welcome back to Totallyevelyn. Say hello to the pussycat. Mia, Mia, Mia. At least she doesn't talk back. She's a very friendly cat. No complaints there. I think pets are absolutely fantastic because they just got on with life. I wish we could adopt the same attitude as pets. No attitude. No problems. So today's video is stop complaining. It's nobody's fault that you're not doing. I think you create your own problems. Sorry. I also think that your attitude towards the problem is the problem. And that's why you continually have the problems. So what are we going to do about it? Not saying I'm perfect. I've just adopted an attitude myself that if there's a problem, then we just have to fix it. And you just have to be calm about fixing it. You know, it's not going to get done if you're just going to keep throwing a wobbly and shouting and screaming, acting like the bear that's got the sore tooth, and everyone's to blame. The vibe changes because you have a problem. Why is it everybody else's fault if you have the problem? If you have a problem, then deal with the problem. Solve the problem. Just get on with the problem. Stop annoying everybody else with it. Is it anybody's fault if you're overweight and you come in a bad mood? Or is it anybody's fault that your job's rubbish? We all have the ability to change things, so it's really your choice. If you decide that you want to eat a box of chocolates on the couch with the remote control, I keep going on about the remote control. I do it as well, but I don't do it all the time. So if you're not putting the work out there, then it's nobody else that you can blame but yourself. It comes from my mum. My mum always said to her, well, just go and deal with it then. It's your problem. She could sometimes create a problem as well. She used to like the drama. And I guess if you want to sit about with the remote control, then it's your choice. It's up to you what you do, the choices that you make in life. But it's nobody else's fault that you're not making the right changes. And you're getting frustrated with not doing something, or else maybe it's easier for you just to lie about with the remote control and then make excuses and blame everybody else for not doing the things that you really secretly want to do. Is that correct? Is that correct, pussycat? Is it correct? Is it? She doesn't care. Adopt that I don't care attitude and you'll be absolutely fine. This little quote that I got from a very dear friend of mine's, David Wild. Have zero expectations in life. Now, if you have zero expectations in life, then you won't expect anybody else to do anything for you, and then you won't be disappointed. Say to yourself, the problem is only the problem if I make it the problem. Are you with me? Sorry if I'm dictating. I just think people complain all the time about things. Create a sort of minefield for other people to complain as well. And the only people that actually listen to them is the complainers as well. Because most of us are just trying to get on with life and trying to make the best of our lives. Do you like my little cover? All my children on it. Isn't that nice? Maybe I should just have a nice cat nap today. Like the cat. Isn't it lovely? I got this for Christmas. It's got all my kids on it. Every one of them. And my grandkids as well. Maybe in the workplace, for example, what I can't stand is if you ask someone a question, a direct question, and you're trying to get the answer so that you can move on with the job, and someone's got a bit of ego and they want to create a problem out of it. They say, oh, well, it wasn't me, it was someone else. Or, no, that's happened before. And they cause this real problem that isn't really required. Something in their head says, I'm getting the blame, or, you know, It's really strange that you can't ask direct questions to people without them jumping into a conclusion that you're putting blame on them or something. Difficult to work with certain people. Stop creating a problem when there's not a problem there. Just see it as it is. Take it on the chin. If somebody says to you, did you do that? Then if you did do that, say yes. Even if it's been done before 10 times. And even if it's not your fault and you've done that, then just say yeah. You don't know what the next question's going to be. But don't jump the gun. Don't just say, oh, well, I done that because she done that. And it takes ages to resolve the problem. It's best to say, there is a problem. What can we do about it? How can we fix it? How can we resolve the problem? How can we move to the next step? Which is what I love. I love to be able to grow. I love to be able to just push forward and not waste time, because all these problems are just wasting time. Do you agree? Instead of complaining about something, just do. Are you a doer or a moaner? Now, if someone asks me a direct question, I'm able to take it. We can all get a bit sort of, oh, don't like being pulled up. What is that anyway? If you get pulled up, you get pulled up. What is the big difference? There's no blame, it's just fine. So when you want to get work done, it's a lot quicker if somebody just answers the question and doesn't complain and doesn't create a problem and just gets on with the job. Some people you can work with, some people you can't work with, and that is the truth of the matter. Sometimes people think because they've not got the time to fix something that they just have this outburst. It's like, I can't really explain it. It's like you ask them something and then they don't know how to fix it, or they've not got the time or the dedication to help, to support whatever's happened. So the big outburst comes, and then you've got a new drama, which is a new problem that's been created over absolutely nothing, which something that could have been fixed within about 2 minutes. What I would suggest is, if you are that person that does these type of things, then take it on the chin, listen to what is being asked of you, lose the ego, lose the superiority thing that's going on in your head, listen, digest, and then help and support. Just change your behaviour to whatever it is that you're continually complaining about, because that is not productive, it's not making you grow, and it's not making anybody else's lives very happy. On that note, catnap for me. I wish. Now I'm going to read my little book, GoPro, That Makes You Grow. I like things that make you grow. I like inspirational people. I like people that pull you up, not people that pull you down. And I guess this is why I had this little chat with you today, because I just want to see people maybe help each other and pull each other up. Thank you so much for watching Totallyevelyn. I hope it was of value, and I'll see you again on Friday. Take good care and lots of love. Do remember to subscribe, like and share, and don't forget to hit that little bell for the notifications for the next video. Thank you so much. Big love.